Let's go for nature walk. We're going for nature walk. So beautiful outside. Going for a walk. These girls look so cute. And for nature walk. Alright. Let's see you come down the stairs. Whoop. You did it. Well, if you come look at the video, you're not going to see us. Look. What? We falling for the You mommy, yeah. Mommy. Hey, who are you, Phoenix? Come on, girl, let's go. Come on, let's go. Why is it black and white? How did I do that? I guess the video just decided it's going to be black and white. She just won't stop going up and down stairs. Let's go, girl. Come on. Come on, let's go. I see you. Can we just look at her facial expression? Like, what she be thinking when she makes them faces? Like, You singing? Let's go. We have to go pick up your sister from school. Stop showing this gummy at you. Come on. Oh, that scared me, boy. That scared me. She's obsessed with going up and down stairs because she's like, strengthening her legs. She wants to do it by herself. So when we walking down the street and she sees a nice step, we can't even walk in peace. The people's houses, she just go right up in there. All right. Hello. All right. Now let us close this door. Where's Phoenix? We're looking for Phoenix. She's probably with the toys. Yes, she is with the toys. No. Phoenix, let's go. It's dirty. It's very dirty. Let's go. Come on.